never gave you a room tour when my room was at its glory, but then now when I'm moving out of it, let's do one.
Raindrop on the blacktop, heart stop, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days,
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. And are you enjoying these back-to-back videos? Well, today is going to be the last one. कल से हम अपने regular scheduled routine में पहुंच जाएंगे, which is new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. And now for today's video. So if you are caught up with my previous few videos, you know that I'm moving out of my current room. I'm making a studio, a new bedroom, and this room right now जिसमें मैं रहती हूँ, I think like you guys have requested a room tour of this room since ages now, and I never gave you one क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा से लगता था कि room like incomplete है. I always wanted to do more और इस वजह से मैं कभी room tour film नहीं कर पाई. But now before I'm shifting out of the room, I think I should give you guys like a very mini room tour. Just like I think I owe it to you guys at this point because you have been seeing this room in my videos, in my vlog. This is not like a very high production video. मैं बहुत vlog style में बहुत simple सा video film करूँगी. And please remember कि I have already started shifting and packaging, so you'll see random packages lying here and there. I hope you enjoy it. So this is the doorway to my room, and when you enter, this is what you see. So first of all, let's start with the color of the room. Now this first wall, which is the main like the accent wall of the room, is in mauve color with this texture to it, and I think this is like the main thing that I'm going to miss about this room. I love mauve color and I'm like so obsessed with this wall and this color. These three walls actually are like the most faintest shade of mauve. Moving to our curtains, we recently got these curtains made for these room, which is in this like purplish grayish tone with a silver metallic sheen to it. So yeah, now let's start. This is the door to the room. यहाँ पे curtains लगी हुई हैं. These freaking balloons are like they're still alive and thriving. ये मेरे birthday के balloons if you have seen the video and the vlog. Moving on to the right side, we've got my mirror, which you have seen in almost every styling video and vlogs. I do all my OOTDs here. So this is the mirror area with a ottoman at the bottom. I got this ottoman from Miniso, and I store all my bags inside it. Also, I've got this like this wine, fake artificial wine kind of hanging from the side of my mirror. So this is really good and its quality काफी अच्छा है. Like I did not expect this to be of this good quality. And then moving on, we've got my bed here. So against this accent wall, I've kept my bed. Now on my bed, I have a lot of pillows. I love like the comfy, cozy vibe of pillows and cushions and throw pillows. So I always have these 4 pillows with me. This one has white cover like both of these. Then this the mauve one came with a bed sheet, and then 2 more throw pillows, which again I got from Amazon. So I always have this on my bedside table. It's basically a container with a moisturizer on it, and I use it because I am obsessed with moisturizing my hands. Like I have to apply some sort of cream on my hands every few minutes, and especially before sleeping. So I always have this on my bedside. There's some homeopathy that I'm taking. I've got my earphones, what are these called, earpods or something. I've got an eye drop because I was like facing some sort of problem. I've got a lip balm, again something which you'll always find in almost every part of my room. So we have got the same curtains here. Then this is the door that leads to the outside of my house. ये usually close ही रहता है. We don't use it much. And I've got a dream catcher there, this white dream catcher, which I really like. Now moving on here, first of all, please ignore that I have got a bunch of cables and stuff. I need to sort this situation out because this looks really ugly. And here I've got my closet and my washroom. Not going to show my washroom and closet. Maybe I think I showed you before कि कैसे मैंने सब कुछ किया है declutter, and I have a very in-depth closet tour on the channel, तो मैं उसको लिंक कर दूंगी in the bottom bar. Please ignore this. मैंने ना ये सब चीज़ें हटाई नहीं because this is right there in my room and I want to show you the real situation. So I've got some stuff packed in these boxes and bags जो कि ऊपर जाना है, and then I've got this planter. This is a very recent addition to the room, and now so this wall faces the bed. So I've got this recliner. इसमें मेरे से 2 cushions रखे हुए हैं. Behind the recliner I've got my equipment. So there's my tripod, there's my ring light all tucked in the back, and again I showed you the door here, and then comes this entire storage / display space here, which is basically my work table, a lot of storage, my book storage, and everything is there. Now let's start with my chair, which is again a new purchase. So now I love white furniture and मुझे ये इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आई. My mom was like, what the hell, you're gonna ruin it in just 2 days, but I've been using it for a month now and ऐसे अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है. Plus it's a cleanable fabric, तो इसको clean करना बहुत easy होता है. The only thing is this does not have arms like side में, so I had to compromise on that, but I was like, it's okay, I don't mind it at all, and I'm using it since a month and I genuinely don't mind it. I've got a cushion here. So as you saw, मैंने सब कुछ organize किया है. I've stored a lot of things, but मैंने जो basic things है जो मुझे अभी भी use करनी है वो सब यहाँ पे रखी हुई है. First of all, I've got my daily bag here. Like this is what I use almost every day now. I've got my entire set of Harry Potter books here with a scale because I use this to weigh the packages of these closets. Moving to this shelf, I've kept my basic skincare which I'm using nowadays. So there's my toner and moisturizers and some dry shampoo and my hair serum, and this Bath and Body Works ka what is this called, mist I think, which I really like. And then here I've got some makeup. I've got all my lipsticks, and then my sunscreens here because I do not skip sunscreen and neither should you, and then some brushes and stuff. Moving down, I've got all my makeup and some technical stuff in this drawer set, which I absolutely love. I've preached about this in so many videos. You need to get it. It's from Miniso. I've got some brushes, like most of my brushes, and then in these drawers here I've got some random knick-knack which I'm not going to go through. इसके नीचे यहाँ पे I think I've got mainly my nail paints, like all my nail stuff, some masks, these holders like phone holders for my tripod. I've got more nail stuff. I've got an epilator, my bamboo brushes and everything. And then in the last drawer there's all my stationery, like not exactly stationery, more like all my painting stuff. So I used to color and paint and sketch a lot when I was in college. I don't know why, but I've stopped painting, but I really want to get back to it. So I've got my colors, palettes, then this charcoal pencils, more shading pencils. These are actually pencil colors. I don't know, I think there are like a gazillion pencil color shades in this, like there's so many. Then my pens and this sketch pen thingy, which is so cute. Like this is so aesthetic. It's like 36 sketch pens or something, and I got this from Amazon. Now the quality of the sketch pen is decent, like it's average. Moving to this side, I've got all my Enid Blyton books here. So I was a huge Enid Blyton fan as a kid. So there are all my famous fives, and पीछे भी पूरा covered with all the Enid Blyton books. I've got this marble elephant that I got from my trip to Udaipur with my friends. Moving here, I've got this box filled with my watches, like all my watches ke boxes. I've got my sunglasses, aesthetic sunglasses here. I've got all my planners, my journal, my D's Closet ka planner, everything with some documents here. And then here I've got my speaker, wallets, tissue box, and इसके ये last वाली shelf में I've got all my drawings and paintings and some important documents and everything. If you want me to show you ना किसी vlog में मैं आपको future में दिखा सकती हूँ. Like I'm pretty average at it, but I can show you if you want. And then moving to this space, which is my workspace. So I've got my laptop. This baby is a godsend. It's an external fan क्योंकि editing करने में, especially because I use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a very heavy software, काफ़ी heat up हो जाता है laptop. So I really like using this. Plus it gives it a very good angle and height to work. Then here, I think this part you've seen in so many videos. I've got all my jewelry, like my necklaces, mostly all my necklaces hanging here. I've got a book which I'm recently reading, my bottle, and then this is my favorite part of the room, which is all my books. So I've got most of my books. Okay, before that, this is me, guys. This is a childhood picture which I absolutely love, and inside me I've got my perfume collection, and now finally my mini library, my book collection, which I absolutely love. So I've tried to color coordinate it a little bit, but ये बहुत mess up हो चुका है और मैंने सही नहीं करा है, so that is on me. But यहाँ पे see, I've tried to put black ones with browns, and then some blue ones and green and red going down to yellow to white. This is one of my favorite thing from this room. So one of my best friends from college, she actually gifted this to me, and I think it's beautiful. And the best detailing is that here it says since 2014, that is when we met, and it is such a beautiful personalized gift. I love it. And this is the complete 360 of my room. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Now please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you like the video, and tell me in the comments which was your most favorite part about this room, about my room, or rather my ex room at this point. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time, which is most probably Thursday at 11 a.m. and yes, bye guys, I love you.